Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase data security with Dropbox, complete guide step by step clearly. To increase data security with Dropbox, start by creating strong, unique passwords. Use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, enable two-step verification for an extra layer of protection. This requires both your password and a verification code sent to your mobile device. Regularly review and update your sharing settings for files and folders. Ensure shared links have expiration dates when possible. Utilize the option to set permissions for file access. Limit access to only those who need it. Consider using Dropbox's advanced features, such as linked passwords. Setting passwords for shared links adds an extra layer of security. Regularly audit your connected apps and devices. Remove any that you no longer use or recognize. Keep your Dropbox application updated to the latest version. Updates often include security enhancements and new features. Backup important files locally, in addition to the cloud. This provides an extra layer of security for critical data. Educate your team or collaborators about secure practices when using Dropbox. Provide training on recognizing phishing attempts and secure sharing. Monitor your account activity regularly. This helps identify any unauthorized access attempts. Consider upgrading to Dropbox Business for enhanced security features. This plan includes advanced controls like detailed activity logs. Review Dropbox security resources and tools available in the settings. These resources can offer additional guidance tailored to your needs. Implement file recovery options to protect against accidental deletions. Enable version history to restore previous file versions if needed. Finally, stay informed about the latest security practices and updates from Dropbox. This knowledge will help you maintain a strong security posture. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.